Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Kawasaki Z900 ABS Super Sport. This inline four-cylinder bike just arrived with only 2,200 miles. Fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got a lot of really cool accessories, including the WRS windshield, adjustable levers, Rhizoma mirrors, and wait till you hear that Leo Vinch exhaust. 2,200 miles on this awesome naked super sport. Come on by and make your inline four-cylinder dreams come true for just $84.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.